If I just open the Contacts app on my iPhone, here you can see there are 26 contacts and all those are synced to iCloud. But if I open the Contacts app on my iPad, here you can see there are no contacts. That means the iPhone contacts are not yet synced on iPad. So how do you sync iPhone contacts to iPad? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can sync contacts on iPad and iPhone. In order to sync contacts between iPhone and iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all go to settings on both devices. So just go to settings on the iPhone first and make sure that you are logged in to your iCloud account. And once you are logged into iCloud account, tap on your iCloud name, and after that here you will see iCloud. So tap on iCloud and next you will see all the details regarding your Apple account, and here you also see there is the save to iCloud option. So you have to tap on see all, and then you will see all the apps that are using iCloud to save their data. Here you have to further scroll and make sure that your contacts are syncing to iCloud. Just in case if your device has this toggle turned off, then that means your contacts are not syncing to iCloud on your iPhone. So you have to first enable this, and after that the contacts will start syncing to iCloud on your iPhone. And now that you have enabled the iCloud syncing for contacts on iPhone, next we have to sync this on this device, that is iPad. So we have to minimize this and go to settings, and once you are in settings you have to ensure that you are logged in to the same Apple account on this iPad. In case you aren't logged in, you will have to first sign into Apple account on your iPad, and after that you have to tap on your Apple account name, and this will show the details of Apple account just like you saw in this device. Next you have to tap on iCloud, and after that you'll get the details regarding your iCloud account on this device. Here you have to tap on see all option next to saved to iCloud. So tap on see all, and after that you'll see all the apps that are using iCloud space for syncing their data or saving their data to iCloud. So you have to scroll until contacts, and when you see contacts you can see it is disabled here. So what we have to do is we have to just enable this, and when you toggle it on, this will start syncing contacts from iPhone to iPad using iCloud. So just minimize this, and after that go to contacts again, and now you can see the contacts have appeared here. You can see the 26 contacts available now on this iPad, just like the ones that were on the iPhone. Now you can see both devices have the same contacts number, and all of them are synced to iCloud as well. So this way you may sync contacts on iPad and iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to transfer contacts from iPhone, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.